Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to insert bullet points in your Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, all we have to do is select the data that we want to add bullet points on. Let's say I'd like to add bullet points on the mail names in this column over here. Once selected, all you have to do is press on right-click and click on Format Cells. This window should appear. Go ahead and go to the Numbers tab and go straight to the Custom. Once we are here, all we have to do is type the bullet point in this field over here. To get this bullet point, you can go ahead and open it in your browser and try to search on bullet point and just copy and paste whatever you found in there. Once here, press paste and press add. You should be able to see a sample on the top on what our data would look like after we press OK. Once we click on OK, here we go. We got all of our names in bullet points. Now, to make this more uniform, all we have to do is align it to the left so that the bullet points would be aligned with each other. We can do the same for the female name. Let's say we'd like to add empty bullet points this time. Just be sure to try to search in your browser empty bullet points. Here's a sample of it. Right here, just copy it by pressing Ctrl+C. Once you've done that, go ahead and select the data again, right-click and go to Format Cells. Go to Custom and go ahead and paste that again. Space and add. And there we have it. This is how we insert bullet points in Microsoft Excel.